Hey friends, this is Ping again. So today I'm making a video about shopping for food and storing food and cooking food during the lockdown or sheltering in place period. The last time I went shopping was 2 weeks ago, and of course I knew I was not going to do so much shopping, my weekly shopping anymore. So I shopped with some plan. So I did a lot of like different kinds of vegetables. The greens can only last for at most a week. So, but then there are certain vegetables that can last longer, and cabbage is one. And then there are different kinds of cabbages. The Asian cabbage, which can be used for kimchi, and and then mustard green, right? That can be pickled. And so after 2 weeks, my greens are gone, of course, and the only thing left is my fermented vegetables. This is mustard green, and it used to be green, and after 2 weeks of being pickled in a jar, now it's kind of yellow, and it's ready for 酸菜鱼 pickled fish soup. It's a very delicious Sichuan dish, and my favorite, of course, apart from the pickled fish, is just simple white and red cabbage, right? And the red cabbage takes much longer to be pickled, and so this cabbage has been pickled for about a month already, so I can only use very little because it's super strong. But then the white cabbage, I like it just slightly pickled and fresh. So I cut it very, chopped it up, and was pouring some salt, and then I just knead it with hand like this. Okay, and this method is to keep the freshness of the vegetable, and then but also get rid of the certain chemical in cabbage that will cause bloating and stomachache. And then I just saute it with either olive oil, or I use a spoonful of chicken oil and bacon grease. Okay, and people may say, oh my God, you're eating bacon grease or chicken grease or animal fat. Well, our body actually needs that, and it's all about balance. Just a few times, 2 or 3 times a week, a spoonful of chicken fat or turkey fat or bacon grease actually is wonderful for you. So I'm going to saute my cabbage quickly with some oil, and that is my vegetable. Then I'm also just making rice here, and then this is my salmon with tofu cooked with Sichuan chili paste, which gives it an amazing, kind of almost addictive flavor. And the red is chili, the white is pepper, in the middle is the salmon cooked, and the green is for flavor is cilantro. Yes, cilantro. Okay, so since I have to hold my phone, and I can't really cook and demonstrate how I saute the cabbage, but it's just very simple. Heat the wok and pour in the oil, and saute the red cabbage first, and then the white cabbage, then sprinkle a little bit sugar and a little bit apple cider to bring out the flavor, and tiny bit salt. Then you will have a delicious vegetable. So, and then the kimchi I made, it's ready to eat. So in the tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'm going to make kimchi fish head soup. It's pretty amazing. All right, enjoy your dinner with your family. Actually, I'm thinking of making a video about the wonderful mushroom reishi that will increase our immune system greatly. It's not food, it's really used for medicine. Okay, bye.